A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to first module of class 10th, Economics, Chapter 1, Development.
So students, the topics that will be discussed in this module are development, development for different people, different goals, income and other goals, and a quick recap. Development. The idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. We have ideas about what a country should be like. What are the essential things that we require? Can life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? Development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. Development is defined as growth. Some of the important goals are seeking more income, equal treatment, freedom, security, respect from others, etc. Next topic is development for different people, different goals. Students, different people have different development goals. What may be the development for one may not be the other. It may even be destructive for other. Development promises a real growth by enhancing total income and standard of living of a person. The example for this topic are the developmental goals and aspirations for different category of a person are. The first example is of landless rural laborers, and their developmental goals and aspirations are more days of work and better wages. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the village. The second example is of prosperous farmers from Punjab, and their developmental goals and aspirations are assured a high family income through higher support prices for their crops and through hard-working and cheap laborers. They should be able to settle their children abroad. And the third example is a girl from a rich urban family, and her developmental goal and aspiration is that she gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad. So here the question arises, do all of these persons have the same notion of development or progress? Students, each one of them seeks different things. They seek things that are most important for them, that which can fulfill their aspirations or desires. In fact, at times, two persons or groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting. Income and other goals. People desire are regular work, better wages and decent price for their crops or other products that they produce. In other words, they want more income. Besides seeking more income, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. They resent discrimination. All these are important goals. In fact, in some cases, these may be more important than more income or more consumption because material goods are not all that you need to live. Money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends, but the quality of our life also depends on non-material things. There are many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot to our lives. These are often ignored. However, it will be wrong to conclude that what cannot be measured is not important. Example, if you get a job in a far-off place, before accepting it, you would try to consider many factors. Apart from income, such as facilities for your family, working atmosphere, or opportunity to learn. In other case, a job may give you less pay but may offer regular employment that enhances your sense of security. Another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security and also leave no time for your family. This will reduce your sense of security and freedom. Similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals. It is true that if women are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases. However, it is also the case that if there is respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. The developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about other important things in life. So students, that's all for today. Here is a quick recap of the topics that were discussed in this module. First, we discussed about development. What is development? Then in next slide, development for different people, different goals. The third slide was of income and other goals. Thank you, students. Revise all the topics that were discussed in this module. Bye, students. See you in the next module. Till that, stay safe, stay quarantined.